Hey guys, how's it going today? Today we're going to talk about plane figures on solid figures. So what that means is that on a solid figure or a three-dimensional figure, you are going to find a plane figure or a flat figure. So every three-dimensional figure or solid figure has a flat figure on it, and it's going to be pretty easy for you to recognize. So we're only going to focus on page 311 today. We're not going to worry about the back, just the front. This is a quick combination of the last couple days of lessons. So let's take a quick look at the helper box up at the top of page 311. So this is what you're looking at. And the first one shows a rectangular prism, which looks like the Kleenex box. And it's telling us that if you stand it up on your piece of paper and you trace the bottom, which you should go grab a piece of paper and do because it's fun. But if you take a rectangular prism, put it on a piece of paper, and trace your pencil around the bottom, you will end up drawing a rectangle because the base of a rectangular prism is a rectangle. You can even hear the word rectangle in rectangular prism. So now take a look at the cube. I'm sorry, not the cube. Triangle. The triangle is the next one at the top of the page. It's actually a pyramid. The three-dimensional pyramid is what they're saying. So the blue area that's highlighted is a triangle. So a pyramid is the tricky one because it has, for the most part, a square base at the bottom, but then it has triangle sides that come up and meet at a point at the top, or a vertex at the top. Then you have a cylinder, and a cylinder, if you put it down, you would be tracing a circle. So a circle can be found on a three-dimensional cylinder. So the boy is holding a cube. Here's my puzzle cube again. And if I trace the bottom of the cube, he is holding up a picture of a square, because if you trace the bottom of a cube, you will get a square. So what we are going to do is it's going to have a row of the same color of figures. It's going to give you a plane figure and say which solid figure has the same shape as the plane figure at the beginning. So look at number 1. They're all red. So you see a red, what shape is that? Rectangle. If you said rectangle, good job. If you didn't, say it. Rectangle. That's a rectangle. So now take a look at the next 3 figures in the worksheet. You have a cube, a cone, and a rectangular prism. So which shape has a rectangle on it? We'll take a look. It's going to be the rectangular prism. So all we did was find the rectangle in the three-dimensional figure of the rectangular prism. So you're going to do that for number 2, 3, and 4, the blue shapes, the yellow shapes, and the green shapes. You're going to find the plane figure literally on the solid figure. I think you're going to do great. So go ahead and finish working on this, and I will see you guys later. Have a good one.